Hey guys, welcome to July's Acro session. So this month we're focusing on the front flip. So it's not a front tuck somersault, but it's the flip where you step out. So you go from a cartwheel, and then the next progression after that, if you've got a good back bridge, is to go straight over. So some little drills that you can do to improve it. So for the pull component would be in the rings. You set yourself up like you're on the top of a pull-up, like that, but you've got your feet on the ground, kick up and pull yourself forward. So you're like that, kick, pull yourself forward. So you're trying to use the leg swing as much as possible and the hip as much as possible. The next step after that is just kind of lift off the ground a little bit, so you're in the air, so just a little bit of it here, and push. So you push through that leg as it lands and kick that leg to step forward. After that, you do the exact same thing, but you flip over. So you're getting that feeling of here of that front flip. So here I push up into that split. Now I'm in that same position, and then I pull myself up. As you develop it, you trail the head a little bit, so that way you get that feeling of trailing after. So here, I can trail and pull myself up. So I just get that little bit of a spot for the rings to help with that nice flow in the movement. After that, you've got the kick-ups. So with that, you're trying to feel that split. You can start closer to a wall and then work your way away from the wall, so that way you get that kind of nice stretch behind you. You want to have the shoulders shrugged up, keep the hands down on the ground, so you might start really close and then come in further away. So there, I just split, then I'll come a bit further, split, a bit further, split, and just working out how far I can go, but really trying to feel that front split. Obviously, working on your front split will really help with that drill, so that way you've got more of a stretch towards the ground and you're really opening up so it's lighter. When you're coming into the leg compartment is the hurdle. So learning that component of the workout is to get that step, hop, push up. So as you step forward, you swing, hop, push up. So I'm going to change the angle so you can see, and then I'll work along the room doing it. So I'm going to step, hop, then I can do the cartwheel from that hurdle, like that. So that's to get the feeling of the leg drive to flip over. Once you're getting a bit more confident, you can do kind of a half a cartwheel, half a front flip. So here, step out, so it's in between the two. They take a bit of practice. So once you've got that kind of basic drill down with the cartwheel, you can take it to that rotational cartwheel where you kind of step out. After that, I recommend doing it on either like a sprung floor onto a crash mat, finding somewhere to work on it like that, or having a spot, sand. You just definitely don't want to beat your feet up trying to learn it on too hard a surface. But if you go through those drills and really work those properly, you'll condition the tissues to be able to do it well. The better you can get that nice back arch position, the easier it's going to be. The more you can kind of kick into a split and really reach behind you, the lighter it's going to be, because there's less time from the hands to the feet if you do the kind of kick over. So you want to work on those basic skills, use them to develop the right tissue tolerance, so that way you can enjoy the process, but work that the same way you would a workout. So we've got the pull, push, legs format. You're doing the pull in the rings, so you might do the easier or that flip over version. And then the push is where your hands stay on the ground and you kick up to condition the shoulders to get that kick, that shrug. And then the leg part is the hurdle, where the hurdle just into a straight kick, or hurdle into a cartwheel, hurdle into that rotational step out cartwheel, so that way you can develop it and then have a bit of a rest after that. Because they are high skill movements, you might not necessarily do the 3 in a row, then take a rest. You might work, rest if you've got more time. In a workout here, we'll have 30 seconds. You do the first one, 30, next one, 30, next one, 30 rest, 4 rounds, 8 minutes. keeps it in that class format. But you know, if you've got the time, take it, develop the skill, enjoy it.